Hello, I'm Dr. Aditi. This workshop today is one of a kind workshop that is being organized for the first time in Hyderabad, and it has been brought here by Fernandez Hospital. Here we have extremely practical and useful models which help us in refining our day-to-day skills for invasive procedures.
Myself, Dr. Kokila. I wanted to learn the technique of amniocentesis CVS. This workshop was very useful to me. They have taught me from various approaches, transversely holding the probe, reaching the target, and targeting the cord loop.
I'm Professor Suresh. Today we have conducted a workshop on skill training in interventional ultrasound, and today all the delegates here, after going through several hours of doing different types of skill training, at the end of it they will be able to learn these skills and practice it also in their day-to-day practice.
I'm Dr. Jeevan Jyoti. Methodology of the teaching of workshop and mannequins is very good, and simulators are very practically oriented. I liked this workshop very much. I hope Fernandez will continue to do these things in future.
Hi, I'm Dr. Amita. So this workshop conducted by Fernandez is spectacular. So basically this is to help the people who are training in fetal medicine to have an hands-on experience on how to do fetal procedures, and that is being done very well here. We have an almost real-time experience. The simulators are outstanding. I wish all the best to Fernandez and for more such programs ahead. Thank you.